Welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be teaching you how to make the banana and apple food for babies. As you can see, we have our apple, our banana peeled with the back removed. Then our banana has been diced, and after that you dice the apple. After dicing the apple, you combine them together as you can see in this slide. Then you get your blender cleaned properly and add your apple and blend. As you can see, the puree is ready. Then you put in separate containers and your baby food is ready.